plus root q is, we have to show that is a irrational number. Here p comma q are primes. So that is given in the problem. So here also we have to follow the contradictory method. So already here condition is given PQ are primes. The same process we can follow here. Root P plus root Q equal to A upon B. A upon B. Let us assume that root P plus root Q is a rational number. So it is a rational number. We can say already this one P and Q is given. AB, here also AB are integers and B not equal to 0. So here A comma B are co-primes, right? So same process, squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. So here this one becomes root P and root Q whole square equal to A by B whole square. So now you can write, so A plus B whole square, you know that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, and A by B whole square equal to A square by B square. So now you can write this one, A square root P whole square means it is P, Q whole square it is Q. So 2 times root P into QPQ is equal to A square by B square. Okay. So now this P plus Q you have to take that side. 2 times root PQ is equal to A square upon B square minus P plus Q. This one is, this whole we are going to take left to right here, that becomes minus P plus Q. Simplifying the right hand side, so yeah, you can write 2 times root PQ is equal to, here LCM is B square and here denominator is 1 multiplied by the B square, here also B square. So this one becomes A square minus B square P plus Q. Okay. For all the values of A, B, P, Q, already P and Q are primes and A and B are integers. So all the values of, so one more thing here, and just to we have to transpose 2 from left to right. So this one becomes 2 under root PQ is equal to A square minus B square times P plus Q upon B square, 2B square, this one is. So for all the values of, for all the values of P comma Q, A comma B, this whole becomes P A square minus B square times P plus Q upon B square becomes rational. So this is rational, right hand side is rational, root PQ must be rational. But we know that P comma Q are primes. P comma Q are primes. So their product of P and Q, product of P and Q. Suppose 3, 5. It is a product of P and Q is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square, means you can't express as the square of any other number. So therefore P root PQ is an irrational number. So an irrational. Root PQ is an irrational number. So therefore we can write root P plus root Q also an irrational number. So example I am going to tell you about this. Suppose you can take root 3 times root 5. So it becomes root 15. We can't express this one as the square of any other number. We cannot express this number as product of or a square of any other number, not the product here, square of, as square of any other number. So therefore root P plus root Q is also an irrational number, or we can write just is an irrational number. So this one.